No sound issues in your Volvo typically come from three main areas: the amplifier, Bluetooth connectivity, or software glitches. Newer models from 2022 onward use Android automotive systems, while older ones rely on the Census platform. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps systematically. First, check the fuses in your underhood fuse box. Faulty fuses can interrupt power to the audio system, causing complete silence. For Bluetooth issues, delete and repair your device. This clears connection errors and restores audio streaming. If problems persist, perform a factory reset through Settings, General, Reset. This clears software conflicts and restores default settings. Ensure you're running the latest firmware via over-the-air updates. Many audio dropouts are fixed through Volvo's software patches. User-guided resets resolve about 40 to 50% of cases. For persistent issues, consult a professional technician for hardware diagnostics. When basic troubleshooting fails, the amplifier or amp is often the culprit in no-sound issues. Common problems include overheating from prolonged use, loose electrical connections, or firmware mismatches between the amp and the head unit. Volvo has issued recalls for certain models, specifically 2020 through 2023 vehicles, due to faulty amplifier modules that can cause intermittent or complete audio failures. For advanced diagnostics, Volvo dealerships use specialized tools like VITA or DICE, which allow technicians to access the vehicle's systems, run tests, and identify hardware faults that aren't visible through basic resets. While DIY factory resets can help with software issues, improper attempts at advanced troubleshooting can lead to data loss or further system corruption. Always proceed with caution and consider professional help for complex problems. Experts emphasize preventative maintenance through regular software updates, which can prevent up to 70% of audio issues by addressing bugs and improving system stability. If your vehicle is under warranty or you suspect a hardware issue like a failed amplifier, it's best to consult a dealer-trained technician who has access to official diagnostic tools and replacement parts. While AI-assisted troubleshooting is emerging to help identify issues faster, hardware replacements and complex repairs still require professional intervention for now.